Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix Instagram Notes music not showing on your iPhone and iPad. So how to fix? First of all, go back your home screen and open your iPhone and iPad setting. Tap on this and from here scroll down, tap on Wi-Fi and make sure that connect strong Wi-Fi connection. Turn off this toggle at least 30 seconds. You have turned it on, and after that go back, scroll down, tap on Journal, scroll down and tap on iPhone storage, scroll down, search for Instagram, tap on Instagram, and from here you make sure that upload your app, and after that check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go back and tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset and tap on reset network setting, enter your passcode and tap on reset network setting. After reset network setting, check whether the problem had been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go for the last method, go back and open your app store, tap on this. From here you search for this Instagram app, tap on Instagram, tap on this. From here tap on update, and after update your Instagram app. I hope your problem will be fixed. If the video is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel.